purpose of the project is to deliver a strategy. So the Learning Disability Partnership Board developed a strategy back in 2018 that basically laid out all the different ways that services needed to improve for people with learning disabilities. It was co-produced with people with learning disabilities and their families.
It's really bridged a gap that was missing. There's a lot of people who maybe traditional day services aren't the most appropriate for, but who would have struggled to get into work without some support. And we've been able to help those people find work, otherwise they would have ended up not doing anything with their time or accessing a traditional day service that wasn't really the right fit for them.
Co-production is a word that's used very much, and we believe we work in a co-productive way, don't we, Shel?
We do, yes, and that's most important to us as a team. What we've achieved is very important.
She's benefited because at the minute she's just at home. She did do college, but with anxiety I had to pull her out, so now she's done numeracy course with co-options. She's starting to be a care buddy, so you know she's socialising, she's going to be learning new skills. You're going to be assisting with activities at the care home, aren't you?
I don't think I'd get far in life if it wasn't for Fiona. If I'm anxious, she's always at the end of the phone to reassure me. Make sure, you know, I'm okay, to make my anxiety ease just by her being there.